Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about how do massive objects like airplanes actually fly in the air. They fly using a very simple physics and very simple principle called Bernoulli principle. Now what the Bernoulli principle is, okay? The Bernoulli principle basically talks about the pressure and how the air velocity going to behave, right? For example, for example, if what Bernoulli principle basically states is that if you are having a high pressure, then you will be having a low air velocity. If you are having a low pressure, you will be having a more higher air velocity. So suppose if this is the aircraft, suppose if this is the aircraft, now applying the Bernoulli principle means is that below this layer, that is your, you can say this is a wing, right? Below this wing you have a higher pressure. That means you have a lower air, uh, you have a lower air velocity but higher pressure on the downside of this wing, right? But on the upper side you are having a lower pressure. That means you are having a higher velocity or higher air velocity on the upper side. So now the difference between these higher pressure on the bottom side and the lower pressure on the top side generates the lift. That is what gives this airplane uh, this is basically it is the lift that drives this airplane to fly in the air. So basically the principle is really very simple. We are having the differences of pressure which is generating the lift, and lift helping the aircraft to fly in the air. So it was all about the airplane. And please subscribe the channel if you like the video. I will be discussing I will be discussing these physics and these aerospace engineering and AI stuff in a very short video. So please subscribe the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.